It's hot outside and I want to show you a hot condo here in North Bethesda, just 1 block to Whole Foods, 3 blocks from Pike Rose. Look at that view every single day. Come on in, let me show you why. Look at this expansive space. This is one of my favorite condos. Mark Fitzpatrick here with Arla. You know I've been in the Fallswood condos a lot. We've worked on a lot of condos for our clients, and this one is a beauty. Go take a look around. I'll stop you in a few spots, but I just want you to see this for all it is right now. Check out this kitchen. This is what I call a single family home kitchen. You can't find this in some $2 million+ condos. Upgraded countertops, granite, lots of cabinets, and just an open feel out into the living space. Take a look around and I'll see you in the primary bathroom in a moment, which was completely redone. Take a look. This primary bathroom is brand new. Everything is brand new. The floors, the counters, the cabinets, the lights, the mirrors, the toilet, everything, including this massive walk-in shower, custom glass that was put in. A lot of these condos have small showers and these old outdated soaking tubs. This one is one you can enjoy with company. It's so big. So I can't wait for the new owner to get in here and enjoy this amazing primary bathroom. Oh, you gotta check out these faucets. I don't know if I want to do that one all the time, but this is amazing. And I was telling my daughter that this would help from water splashing all over the place when she walks through this basement here and not the shower. So anyway, this was upgraded, didn't go with anything cheap. Hope you enjoy it. So what did you think of this condo? 2 bedrooms, a den, 2.5 bathrooms, a block to Whole Foods, Pike Rose 3 blocks away, the metro, everything close by. But you can't get the location of the condo unit like this very often. Double balcony, southwest and westerly views, all that amazing light. It is healthier for you, and this is a condo that I know someone's gonna love. So if you wanna see it, now's the time. Message me fast before this is gone. I look forward to seeing you here live and getting a chance to meet you.